Hello friends, in this lecture we will see face group, and we have this option group face. If you want to create any group on the face, that time we can use. So here we have the group, and before selecting this option I'm going to define a face group tool. So face group tool, this is left handed, click over it, okay, change it to right, okay, and see this is a tool, and I want to undercut underside, so tool will come in underside and it is already shifted. Otherwise, if I'm keeping this like this, so under holder we have left handed or right handed holder, you can change it from here also, okay, and okay for the tool. Now I'm going to select the operation, and my operation is this group face, and select the program, and my program is under this program, and tool is face group, and workpiece is this turning, and this is the grouping operation. So select this lathe group and select this. So it is cutting here, 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 and here also. So I'm going to define this cut region, and this time my face group is on the face. So this time I'm going to define radial direction. My radial direction is from here to this point. So only material which is inside this, it is cutting. And for exit, my first point is from here, and second point is up to this, or we can select this. No, this will not be properly, here it is. Now click OK. This area is going to be cut, this inside area, okay, and this is a plunge, and let's generate it. And this direction is exit direction, see, and still it is colliding with the part. So okay, and from this tool, click here, my tool is here in wireframe, turn off this adapter and click display, okay, double click over it, generate this axle direction, and from here the tool is here. So okay, just see, I'm going to show you just from here. Okay, it is collision, the collision is here. So okay, so what I'm going to do, go to non-cutting move, and from non-cutting approach, and approach is from specify point, and from here, and motion start point is direct, and direct from point, and the point is this, and again this point, generate, and let's see. Okay, departure point we haven't defined, so go to this departure, and same as approach, motion point direct, but the point is same as start, and motion go back point direct, and same as from. Now see, okay, and okay. And here from the main, the step over is 75%. I've changed it to 20. Now see, and click here, 3D dynamic. Okay, this is the face milling. Okay, and okay, and post process generate tool number is missing. Otherwise, this is the program, and from here the time is this. Okay, and right click over here, and from the column, if you don't want this time, so you can switch off from here or switch on from this column menu. So this is the phase group. Hope you understand this properly.